Welcome to Unlocking the World of IPTV, a gateway to endless entertainment. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, revolutionizing how you stream live channels. First, determine your preferred channel lineup and package that fits your viewing habits. Next, visit the best provider at 2tv.store, where reliability meets affordability. Once there, explore their diverse offerings and easily find what matches your needs. Register or create a new account, keeping your login details secure and private. After registration, proceed to checkout for your chosen subscription plan which suits you best. Upon successful payment, you'll receive detailed activation instructions via email. Follow the steps provided to configure the channels on your device effortlessly. At this stage, ensure your internet connection is stable for the best streaming quality. Now, with everything set up, you can enjoy a rich array of channels worldwide. From live sports events to movies, your entertainment options are limitless. Adjust settings to curtail bandwidth usage without compromising video quality for smooth streaming. Consider setting up parental controls for content restrictions, ensuring appropriate viewing. Stay updated on subscription renewals, guaranteeing uninterrupted service from your IPTV provider. Congratulations, you're now versed in subscribing to IPTV, enhancing your television experience.